Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have got something exciting news for those of you looking to kickstart or further your career in the world of cybersecurity. So, let's dive right into the video. SenseLearner is launching a 45-day free cybersecurity internship, and it's starting on September 10th, 2023. Yes, you heard me right. Free. So, whether you are a student looking to explore the world of cybersecurity or a recent graduate eager to gain some hands on experience, this is the golden opportunity you have been waiting for. And here's the best part, you can join from anywhere. This internship is entirely virtual, so you can participate from the comfort of your own home. Now, you may ask, who can apply for this internship? Well, let me tell you, it's open to all enthusiastic learners with a passion for cybersecurity. So, whether you are a beginner or already have some experience, SenseLearner welcomes you to join them on this exciting journey. Ready to take the plunge? Just click on the registration link in the description below or visit the link displayed on the screen. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to kickstart your cybersecurity career. So, what are you waiting for? Hit that registration link, share this video with your fellow cybersecurity enthusiasts, and get ready to embark on a 45-day journey that could change your life. Thank you for tuning in, and we will catch up in the next video. Till then, Hare Krishna.